Do you ever wonder why we say an ice cream, but also some ice cream? How can one word take two different forms? Let's make this crystal clear. Today, we're going deeper into a simple but powerful idea. When we use a or an, we mean one complete item. When we use some, we mean a part, a piece, or a quantity, not the whole thing. Understanding this difference changes the meaning completely. Let's break it down with crystal clear examples. Number 1, ice cream. An ice cream means one whole ice cream, a full cone or a bar. For example, I bought an ice cream, but some ice cream means only a quantity, maybe a few spoonfuls. For example, she ate some ice cream after dinner. Number 2, mix. A mix means one complete mixture, like one packet. For example, this is a mix of pancakes. But some mix means only a part of it. For example, add some mix to the bowl. Number 3, paper. A paper means one document or one sheet. For example, he wrote a paper for school. But some paper means an amount of paper, not one specific piece. For example, we need some paper for printing. Number 4, cake. A cake means one whole cake. For example, they bought a cake for the party. But some cake means a piece or a portion. For example, would you like some cake? Number 5, chicken. A chicken means one whole chicken. For example, they cooked the chicken for lunch. But some chicken means chicken meat, a quantity. For example, she bought some chicken for dinner. Recap. So remember, a or an means one complete item. Some means a part or an amount. The meaning changes depending on whether we see the noun as a whole or as a quantity. If you want English explained in a crystal clear and practical way, join my online sessions. We focus on grammar, speaking, and real communication, step by step. Message me to book your spot. Thank you for watching. For more crystal clear English lessons, make sure you follow the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.